this video, we are going to show you how to get 50% off on your 1 of 10 subscription. Now, if you want to subscribe to 1 of 10 so that you can have viral ideas, titles, and thumbnails to accelerate your views and save time for your brand or your channels, all you need to do is go to our description below and click on the link. It's going to bring you to this page. Now, once you are in the 1of10.com website, you want to sign up for a free account. It's very simple. It's very fast. Just use your Google email address. And once you've logged in, you will be brought to your dashboard over here. Now, once you're here in the dashboard, you want to look to your left hand side. This is going to be your main menu. So you have home, trackers, bookmarks, etc. But you want to click on upgrade now here. That is signified by a rocket. It's highlighted in orange and it is faintly glowing or flashing. So click on that like so. And here you're going to be brought to the pricing page. So you have two options, 1 of 10 yearly, 1 of 10 pro. So this is a yearly plan or annual plan. You can do monthly, but most people use yearly. So as you can see here, just choose whichever. For this example, we're going to choose 29, which is the basic plan. So click buy now, and you're going to be brought to the checkout page. Now here, you want to click on add promotion code like so, and just enter our code. Just click or copy paste the code like so. Click apply. And there you go. You have 50% off on your subscription, and then just go through the standard checkout process and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.